Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. What do we have? Well, we have a Ford Raptor. We just did a backflip MX4. Before we get going, if you have questions, we have great answers. So come on over here. By the way, John, the general manager, is behind the camera today, and he's also the guy you might answer the phone when you call. So what we got here is the Ford Raptor, and we got the backflip MX4 third generation. This is the newest version, and this is a nice low profile, a hard folding cover. It is a three-fold, because a lot of trifolds are not three-folds, they're two-folds. So this here has the third additional fold, and I'm going to go over a few features. Now, it does have a nice 400-pound weight capacity. There you go. You have dual openings, dual release here. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can release it. Why is that good? Well, if you got traffic on one side of the vehicle, you might want to get to the other side where it's safer. If you look over here, you got some nice seals here that's going to help keep Mother Nature out. Now, it's not going to keep every drop of water out. It is not a submarine, but it does a very nice job. Even has a nice drainage system right here. And again, you got your nice powder coated finish here. Now, you can drive with it just like this. You have to lock it in place. This way you don't have to worry about the wind catching on the highway. When not in use, basically you just slide these in here so they're not hanging in the bed. You got little bumpers here for your rear window here. Now if you look here, you got a camera and the third brake light. Now a lot of folding covers, when they go the third fold, will block that, but not on this one. It sits right below it, so you can still see it. And you can drive with this up just like this, so that locks into place. There you go. Basically, you get full access to the bed. So you go on a bike week and you take your motorcycle with you. You can put it right there in the bed. Or you just move in a couch. You need all the access to it. Now, you can remove it. Just basically a little knob here. Just take it off. It takes 5-10 minutes. But you don't really ever need to. Now, when these are not in use, they go right down here, lock into place. You don't have to slam the cover. Just close it normal. You'll hear it lock into place as you go. And I like this cover a lot. Again, with a 400-pound weight capacity, the 5-year warranty. Now, the good news, we installed this cover, so that 5-year goes to 10 because we did the install. We're part of the realtruck program, and that's a great feature here. Again, this is a Ford Raptor. We can drop ship this anywhere in the country. Now, if you want to check out pricing, I'll put a link of this at the bottom of the video. Click on the link. It'll go right to the website. It'll show you how much it is. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is the Ford Raptor, and this is the backflip MX4 low profile cover. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.